sedimentary rocks of Big Bend reflect very ancient environments, not unlike environments today. The tall cliffs behind me of limestone formed in an area not unlike modern-day Florida, warm waters, Caribbean, those kinds of places. The yellow rocks that you see behind me were dirtier and more muddy, places like the modern-day Louisiana or the Gulf Coast Plain. The Chisos Mountains that we see today in Big Bend are just the eroded core of an ancient volcano. Erosion has reshaped the entire area of Big Bend. The volcano stood much higher, but the tops and sides have all eroded away. So what we see now is the core of the apple, the middle of the volcano, that we can drive up into and visit. When volcanic ash is erupted from a volcano, it forms a rock called a tuff. The white rock you see behind me is such a tuff found here in Big Bend. It's the evidence how we know that at one point the Chisos Mountains was a volcano and not just a rock that cooled underground. The southern part of Big Bend has all dropped down relative to the Mexican side of the river. The river follows its course around this large, uplifted block of rock that forms cliffs thousands of feet high. These cliffs make up the three large canyons that course along with the Rio Grande River. This is a unique spot where we can see all three types of rocks in one place. Here, magma has intruded its way into this sedimentary rock, this shale. And it's extremely hot, thousands of degrees Fahrenheit. And on both sides where it touches those clay-rich shales, it cooks them, literally cooks them into clay pots. And so we have three types of rocks. This igneous rock formed from the magma that cooled, the shale it intruded into, and then between the two where they touched, a metamorphic rock called hornfels.